I pour this on my car windows and don't worry about winter grime anymore. Just spray them with hydrogen peroxide, which breaks down buildup in tiny particles so they're easier to wipe away. Dry the glass with a paper towel that won't streak, and your windows stay clean, smooth, and fresh for longer. If you notice a coin placed behind your car door handle, it's a bad sign. You need to know what it means. Thieves are constantly coming up with new ways to steal. Sometimes they're after what's inside your car. Other times they want to steal the car itself. Automatically locked doors with a remote shouldn't open. So when you park somewhere, you just click the key and walk away, thinking the car is locked. But this doesn't stop thieves. Even in broad daylight, they don't need to break in. The coin trick is enough for them. Criminals place a coin in the handle to block the door. This simple trick keeps the door with the coin from locking, exactly what the thief wants. Most often, thieves put the coin in the passenger door handle. If you drive alone, you probably won't check that side of the car. This doesn't apply to all cars, so it's wise to check if the coin trick prevents your doors from locking. It could save you from major trouble. Spray your car window with this mixture, and it will defrost without scraping. This simple mix will save you time and frustration, and it costs just a few bucks. Cold mornings can be unpleasant, and scraping ice off your windows can take a while. Instead of buying expensive de-icer, you can make your own. Most of the ingredients are already in your home. You'll never have to scrape windows before driving again. In a container, pour 30 milliliters of salicylic alcohol. It has properties that dissolve ice. Next, add 30 milliliters of vinegar. Then, measure 15 milliliters of dishwashing liquid. It has surfactant properties that reduce surface tension, helping the mixture work better. Finally, pour in 400 milliliters of warm water. You can use lukewarm water, but hot water will speed up the ice melting process. Mix everything together, transfer it to a spray bottle, and screw on the lid. Let me know the lowest temperature in your city this year. Spray your windows with this de-icer, and within seconds, you'll see the ice start to melt. The ingredients ensure the mixture won't freeze on your windows. No more scraper needed, just spray and leave it. This trick will save you time and won't hurt your wallet. In winter, I always keep toothpaste in the car. It's the cheapest way to get rid of an annoying problem. Although it sounds strange, toothpaste has a brilliant application that will be useful for drivers. Winter is a challenging time for drivers. Snow removal from the car, frozen locks, and fogged up windows. Limited visibility on the road can lead to accidents. It turns out that ordinary toothpaste can solve the annoying problem. All you need is to prepare a microfiber cloth. It's important for it to be clean and new. Squeeze a bit of toothpaste onto it, then rub it onto the inner part of the windshield. Start from the front, spreading it evenly. Then, with the clean side of the cloth, begin to polish. A thin layer of paste will settle on the windshield. Its action will prevent the windows from fogging up. It's always worth having a tube in the car. Additionally, toothpaste has polishing properties. It helps to remove microscratches that occur on the windows during driving. I always take such a bag to the car in the morning. I can't live without it in winter. Its application is brilliant. Prepare a drawstring bag, fill it with very warm water, close it, and take it with you. In winter, many people waste time scraping windows. It turns out that a simple bag solves this problem in 15 seconds. Just run it over the frozen windshield. The warm water instantly melts the ice. No scraping or using de-icers. You can see the ice disappearing right after the bag touches the window. Move it from top to bottom across the window. In just a few minutes, the car will be ready to drive. What are your ways to quickly defrost your car? Put an apple in your car. This trick was shared with me by a mechanic. Just place one half in the front and one in the back, and leave them for 24 hours. The apple works as a natural odor absorber. It pulls in moisture and neutralizes smells. Unlike air fresheners, it doesn't mask odors. It literally absorbs them. After a day, your car's interior smells fresh, almost like after professional ozone cleaning. But that's not all. An apple has another use that few people know about. Cut it in half and rub one half over your car windows. This old, forgotten trick works especially well on rainy days. Every driver knows the struggle of weak wipers, and in such cases, an apple can work wonders. Simply rub the window thoroughly, inch by inch. The malic acid in the apple creates what's known as the lotus effect, a natural phenomenon that makes water and dirt slide off quickly. As a result, your windshield stays clean and visibility improves even during heavy rain. Just repeat this simple trick from time to time. Don't throw away old newspapers. They're a winter lifesaver for your car. Scraping ice, unreliable de-icers, and freezing hands are a daily struggle for many drivers. But there's a simple and cheap solution. Lay old newspapers over your windshield and secure them with the wipers. They act as a protective barrier, preventing frost and ice buildup. In the morning, just remove the papers and your windshield is clear. No scraping, no wasted time. A young mom showed me this trick. It makes traveling easier for everyone. Start by completely removing the headrest from your car seat. Car headrests are designed for easy removal. Next, take a Ziploc bag and place it sideways where the headrest rods go into the seat, with the opening on the side. Use a pen to poke holes in the bag where the rods will go through. Make 3 rows of holes. Now, reinsert the headrest into its original position. Simply slide your phone into the bag through the side opening, and you have an instant hands-free screen holder. This simple hack allows you or your passengers to watch movies, shows, or cartoons comfortably in a horizontal position. In just a few minutes, you'll have a practical and budget-friendly phone holder, no extra purchases or tools needed, easy, cheap, and functional. They don't teach this in driving school. Become a perfect driver with these tips. You can park perfectly anywhere. Just follow these simple steps. Move close to the front of the car on your right until your right mirror is aligned with it. Turn the steering wheel 1.5 times to the left and slowly move forward until you see the parking line touch your car's door handle in the mirror. Then, turn the wheel 1.5 times to the right and start reversing. Straighten the wheel and continue backing up until your car fits perfectly into the parking space. Parallel parking. Approach the car in front and stop when your mirror aligns with the side mirror of the car next to you. This is the perfect starting position. Turn the wheel 1.5 times to the left and slowly reverse while watching your right mirror. When your rear door handle aligns with the car behind, stop. Straighten the wheel and keep reversing until your rear right tire touches the parking space's centerline. Now, turn the wheel 1.5 times to the right and continue reversing until your car is perfectly parallel to the curb. Many drivers make the same mistake. They turn the wheel immediately when pulling out. Here's the correct way to do it. First, move forward without turning the wheel. Keep going until the end of your driver's door aligns with the front of the car next to you. Only then should you turn the wheel in the desired direction and continue driving out. This way, you'll avoid hitting the nearby vehicle. These simple methods will protect your car from unnecessary damage and make parking in tight spots much easier.